So Novice Production per seat. So andito pa rin tayo sa Narvacan, Ilocosur. So mga tatakbo dyan, Christopher Mercado, Anthony Cortez, Nigel Torre, James Manikis, Edsel Marahas, Ron Mangosong, Ryan Magay. So McLaren Villacorta, Valencia, ay Kirby, Ruben Pipito. Ay isa pa. Shout out to Mr. BX de la Cuadra, our big boss here.
8 laps,
Novice Production, 8 laps. Wala! Wow! Anton Cortez, got the whole shot. Hala ka, nagtapok na! Ura! Nahulog! Anton Cortez, Christopher Mercado, Ron Mangosong. Sino yung mga apat? Wow!
Ang mga tao, tawid! Sige ng tawid!
So, nangunguna.
Lahat ng lalabas.
It's Anton Cortez, Brad Pinalaw, followed by Mr. Bebrat, Christopher Mercado. Third, it's Ron Mangosong, James Manikis, Nigel. Wow.
We have here
Leading it from Mindanao. Wow. Wow. Grabe. Op. Parang wala si McLaren dito. Leading the race, it's from Mindanao, Anton Cortez, followed by Christopher Mercado.
That is Anton Cortez. Followed by Christopher Mercado.
Ron Mangosong, ay pangapat na si Nigel.
Checking in. Now in third position.
Ay, Nigel, kinuha si Ron. Nigel Ivan Torre on the third. Wow. Ayan. Ay, McLaren, nandito pala. Anong nangyari? Naipit sa McLaren. Wow. So, unti-unti nang lumalayo si Anton Cortez. Wow.
That is John Anton Cortez.
Hey!
Christopher Mercado.
Second, Christopher Mercado. That's Nigel Ivan Torre on third. On fourth, Ron Mangosong, James Manikis on fifth. Wow. McLaren. Wow. Ruben Pipito. Ay! Nag-overshot. Wow. Still on the lead, Anton Cortez. Wow. Grabe, breakaway Anton Cortez. So Nigel on third. Oy, on fourth na Manikis, ikalima Ron Mangosong. Ayun McLaren. Umabol McLaren. Ayan. Wow. Oy, yellow brag, lyric.
Blue
flag, blue flag, blue flag.
On fourth position, we have James Manigas Valverde also and McLaren Villacorta.
Wow.
Checking in Gil
Breakaway Anton Cortez. Hop, hop. Agay! Alala! So, breakaway Anton Cortez. Ride of Mindanao. Second, Christopher Mercado.
Lappers, give way, lappers.
Wow. Nigel on third, Maniquez on fourth.
Lappers, do not engage. Lappers, do not engage.
Why? White flag, white flag, white flag, Anton Cortez, white flag, white flag. White flag. White flag, Anton Cortez.
80-50cc on the start gate.
Blue flag, Chuck Regala.
Roman, get ready.
Wow.
Still on the lead is Anton Cortez, followed by Christopher Mercado.
Wow! James Maniquez versus Nigel Ivan Torre. Oops. Waiting for checkered flag, Anton Cortez. Checkered flag. Second, it's Christopher Mercado.
Rider 18, Anton Cortez.
Wow.
Coming in for second position, we have here Christopher Mercado.
Christopher Mercado on second.
Checking in on
Third,
third position,
Nigel.
we have rider 24, Nigel Torre, followed by James Maniquez. And on fifth position, we have McLaren Villacorta.
Nawala si Ron. Ayun, Ron Mangosong versus Reben Pipito. Wow.
Pasuyo po sa ating
Checkered
mga
flag.
army.